A few years ago, Locs was something many people were afraid to get. Today, though, it feels like everywhere you look, someone is starting a lock journey. But I don't think it's happening because locks are trendy. I think it's something much deeper that's happening. First thing is, people are tired of chasing impossible beauty standards. For decades, many people, especially women, have been told that beauty requires constant maintenance, constant spending, and constant correction. And I mean, the goalpost keeps moving. One year it's bone straight here, the next year it's curly loose here, the other year it's something else. Many people just reach that point where they're asking, what if I stop chasing every trend and just embraced myself? Locks often appeal to people who are exhausted by constantly trying to fit an ever-changing standard. It's not that locks reject beauty, it's just that they challenge the idea that beauty must always be manufactured. The next reason why I believe a lot of people are getting locks is because people are just so tired of constantly doing their hair. For me, I think this one is a bit deeper than just convenience. Sure, locks reduce a lot of daily styling, but I think what people really want is that mental freedom. They don't want every day to be about getting up and worrying about what they're going to do with their hair. They don't want for every vacation, workout, or rainy day to become a hair strategy session. And locks remove a lot of that decision making when it comes to your hair. And you'll see people describe it as feeling lighter, not just physically but mentally as well. Another reason is that people are craving authenticity. We live in this era where so much feels curated. We have perfect photos, perfect appearances, perfect lifestyle, and locks are almost the opposite. The locks are personal, imperfect, and unique. And that's a big part of their beauty. And many people are starting to feel more attracted to things that feel genuine rather than feeling polished. Locks tell a story because it can't exactly be replicated or copied from person to person. The next reason why so many people are getting locks is because social media is showcasing so many different beautiful locks. I think this is honestly one of the biggest reasons. Like many years ago, we simply didn't have that type of exposure. They might have only been seeing one version of lock. Now, on social media, you're able to see microlocs, sister locks, traditional locks, freeform, fine locks, thick locks. You just see that there's a lot of variety out there and you have a few to pick from. So because of that, a lot of people are seeing themselves being represented. And you know, representation changes perceptions. Once someone sees dozens of beautiful examples, the fear starts disappearing. What felt unusual suddenly feels very much achievable. Another reason is that people want a style that will grow with them instead of constantly trying to have it redone. And think about it, most hairstyles, they're temporary. You create the style, it fades, and you start the cycle again. In this way, locks are different because it's the type of hairstyle that evolves with you. Your 1-year-old locks don't look like your 3-year-old locks, and your 3-year-old locks don't look like your 6-year-old locks. You know, this makes the style feels alive in a sense because it literally develops alongside your life. And I believe, like myself, a lot of people find this incredibly meaningful. Another reason is that many people develop this unexpected confidence through the process of starting locks. So this one is huge, and personally for me, the most shocking discovery. This particular confidence that you get with the lock journey, I don't think you get it from the final results. I think you get it from just surviving the journey. The starter locks phase teaches you patience, and the awkward phase teaches you resilience, and the entire lock journey just teaches you trust. The thing is, after someone spends years growing their locks, they finally prove to themselves that they can stick to something and commit to it long term. And that changes how a person sees themselves. So it's not just a my hair looks so good confidence, it's I stay committed confidence, and that's different. The next reason I think a lot of people are getting locks is because locks have become a symbol of self-acceptance rather than just another hairstyle. Honestly, this is probably the deepest point. Because for many people, starting locks is a decision that says, I'm done fighting myself. Of course, not everyone starts for that reason, and I can attest to this. Some simply love how it looks, and that's honestly where I started out as well. But eventually, locks become this catalyst for just accepting yourself fully in a way that you never really did before. And that's why it sounds so sentimental and emotional when you hear people talk about their locks or their journey overall. It's rarely just because I changed my hairstyle, and instead it's more like I'm comfortable with myself. You're not just witnessing your hair grow, you're seeing yourself grow too. And that's what makes it all the more beautiful. Tell me in the comments exactly what made you start your locks. Even if you had it for a few years now or if you just started, remember to like this video, subscribe, and share it if you haven't already, and I'll definitely catch you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.